Experience efficient and cost-effective personal jet travel like never before with the award-winning Cirrus Vision Jet, November 2 Tango Sierra, available now for dry lease through SF50 Flight Support. The Vision Jet is more than just a light jet. It's the ultimate solution for personal, business, and family flying, delivering luxury, safety, and performance in a single pilot aircraft. When you dry lease November 2 Tango Sierra, you're not just leasing a plane, you're joining a program designed to simplify and elevate your flying experience. SF50 Flight Support provides complete operational support, from flight scheduling to professional pilot services and 24/7 concierge access. Manage your flights with ease through our streamlined scheduling platform designed specifically for Vision Jet clients. November 2 Tango Sierra gives you access to hundreds of local, regional, or international airports accessible from the Nashville region, bringing your weekend getaway or quick business trip within easy reach. The best part is, you fly on your schedule, not the airlines. With Vision Jet speed, we can bring you to your destination at over 300 miles per hour. Fly with confidence. The Vision Jet is equipped with the Cirrus Airframe Parachute System, CAPS, safe return auto-land capabilities, advanced avionics, and our pilots are some of the most qualified in the industry. Our pool of professional pilots consists of mature, conscientious, and highly trained aviators who strive for your complete satisfaction. November 2 Tango Sierra is available for dry lease in the Nashville area with full operational, management, and scheduling support by SF50 Flight Support. The process is straightforward and designed to allow you to start enjoying private flight this season. Visit sf50flightsupport.com or contact us today to schedule your personalized consultation at 615-543-8553. We look forward to talking to you.